Good afternoon, guys. I hope this video finds you well. I thought it'd be a good time to throw out a short little video sharing a little piece of my heart regarding this channel. I've been having a lot of fun providing content that I hope will help others in their coding journey. My hope is that it will continue to benefit all who watch for a long time to come. I really wanted to make content that I had a hard time finding on YouTube. But let me interject real quick and say that there are wonderful tutorials out there right now, and I don't want to diminish the effort and work others have produced here. For me, some tutorials, actually a lot, were difficult for me to understand and usually only supplied just one example, or they didn't accurately explain what the problem was asking for. My belief is there should be several examples shown. Your code, others' code, what works, what doesn't, all of it broken down as much as possible and explained thoroughly. So that's the why behind the videos I make. I'm simply producing content I know I would like to see. And isn't that the rule of being a content creator here? Providing information you wish you had? With that being said, everyone learns differently. There are good teachers out there, and then there are not so good teachers. I want to be a good teacher that leaves no stone unturned, that explains fully, and breaks it down as small as possible. This brief video isn't about how I came to learn Python. That's another story for another time. What I wanted to share is why I make the videos in the way that I do. Sometimes it's like putting together a puzzle, and you get that one piece you're not sure fits perfectly. You try, and when you finally find the right piece and feel it snap into place, you just know it's the right piece. And you may not have known just how right it went into place without those almost pieces. It's kind of that way with coding. It's trial and error. You write your code, see what works, see what doesn't, what needs to be added or taken out. Another aspect is always striving to be more efficient, and how can you know unless you see others write code? It's truly expanding your horizons any way you can. It's practice, it's study, it's learning by doing in a very real sense. It's why I highly encourage any watcher to copy the code out and apply it in their own IDE. The fact of the matter is, if you can't explain to someone else what you're doing or how it's working, you really don't know or understand it all. It's like taking apart an old clock and dumping out the mechanical parts. Unless you've actually put together another clock before, you're not going to know what you're doing. Maybe not all, but certainly most people learn by doing. And I'll always encourage you to do. So to those who are watching, thank you for your support. Feel free to ask anytime what videos or coding problems you're struggling with, and I'll do my best to help all I can. Thanks for watching.